The Sony XMN502 amplifier affords incredible installation flexibility and packs quite a punch. Automatic thermal control. Other amps' thermal protection circuits will simply shut down until they're cool. Sony's automatic thermal control circuit actually lowers the output levels to reduce amplifier temperature so your music continues to play. Efficient cooling design. The unique thermal control chassis is designed to circulate air and cool the amplifier for powerful sound output. High-quality components. Components such as audio capacitors, power MOSFETs and choke coils are carefully selected for high-quality sound reproduction as well as reliability. LPF crossover. To get the full benefit of your speakers, you'll need to send them the appropriate musical frequencies. The integrated low-pass filter, LPF, sends only the deep bass to the subwoofers. Single-sided connections. Single-sided connections provide flexible installation and multiple mounting options. Top reviews from the United States. My fiancé has this in his car and recommended I get the same. My amp went out and my fiancé has this in his car and recommended I get the same. I just purchased Rockford Fosgate car speakers and subwoofer and this amp was so much better than my last one. So glad my original amp went out, otherwise I wouldn't have this awesome one.